Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. We wanted to do this tutorial video because there are a lot of businesses that have applied either for the EIDL loan, the EIDL grant, the EIDL Loan Reconsideration, and the SBA is requesting the Form 4506T from these business owners, and we just wanted to show you how to do this form. Okay, so basically, what is Form 4506T? It is a form from the IRS. It is not a form from the SBA, and it's an IRS form that is used to request tax information or your tax return transcript from the IRS from current or prior years. Now, the SBA or other financial institutions usually ask for this document because now they can take this form, they can send it to the SBA, and the IRS is going to send them your tax transcript because now they want to confirm your income and they want to confirm the information that you put on the EIDL loan application. And the SBA is not the only agency that uses this. For example, when you're going to buy a new home, usually the title company or the mortgage company, the loan mortgage company, request this form because you have provided them with your income and financial information, but now they want the information directly from the IRS just to make sure that the information that you have provided is accurate. So the same thing the SBA is doing with business owners that are applying for the EIDL loan, the reconsideration, the EIDL grant. Because remember, you have filled out an EIDL loan application, and realistically, the SBA has not asked for any documentation. So now the SBA is saying, okay, you provided this information about your income, your business income. So now we just want to tell the IRS to send us your IRS transcript so they can confirm that the information you have provided in the application is accurate. And the SBA started doing this because they were under a lot of scrutiny from the Office of the Attorney General because of all the fraud that has been going around, especially with the EIDL grant. Okay, so let's just do it. The first step is to basically Google the form. So basically, you just open up your browser. You can go to google.com and just search 4506T. Okay, and the first one that says irs.gov. And here it is. This is the 4506 form. All right. 1 second. All right. So it's a very simple form. And basically, you can just download the form and fill it out. Here, the first thing you have to do is put name shown on your tax return. Now, if you are working under a business, so for example, if you're working under a corporation or an LLC, here you're going to put the LLC name, for example, Sample LLC. Okay? So, but if you're self-employed, independent contractor, and you're not working under a business, here you're going to put your personal name. Okay? So, for example, me, Carlos, if I'm self-employed and I'm going to fill this out, I'm going to put my name on box 1A. Now, if I fill out my tax returns joint with married jointly, then I also need to put the information of my spouse. All right? Now, you do not have to put your spouse name if you're working under a LLC or a corporation. All right? So here you put your business name or your name. On this line, either you put your social security number if you're self-employed or independent contractor and you're not working under an LLC or a corporation. You put your social. If you are working under an LLC or a corporation, here you put your EIN number. Okay. Now, if you have to put your spouse's information, here you put your spouse's social security number. Here, you're going to put your current name and address. That's where your business is now, or where you are operating as a self-employed individual, your home current address. If the current address is different from the address that's on your prior year's tax return, then the prior year's address you put on line 4. Okay? Customer file number you leave in blank. And then on number 6 is the transcript requested. Now, if you're self-employed, independent contractor, single member LLC, basically any business that filed their business return on a Schedule C, here you need to put the 1040, okay? Because remember, the Schedule C is inside your 1040 personal tax return. So that's what they are requesting, okay? Now, if you are a C corporation, then you put here the 1120, because your corporation that files as a C corporation files their business taxes under the 1120 form. If you are an S corporation, then you put here 1120S, because that's the form that you report your business income with, okay? So here you scroll down, and basically you go to C, and you check this box, which is C, because this is the request that has more information about your case. So you take C, you check that, because that's the records that the SBA wants to look at. You continue going down, and on 9, it's the years that you want the IRS to send the SBA. Now, the SBA currently is requesting 3 years of tax transcripts. So basically, you have to put here 3 years of the last day of the tax year. For example, now we put December 31st of 2019. And the second year is December 31st, 2018. And the third year is December 31st of 2017. Why? Because this is the last day of that tax year. So that's the way you put the 3 years that the SBA is requesting. You check this mark right here. That means that you're signing and you're an authorized signer. Here you put your signature, the date, your phone number, your title. You can put owner. And if you are requesting also with your spouse information, you put your spouse signature and the date. And that's basically it. And then you print it out and you send it to the SBA agent. As you can see, it's a pretty simple form, okay? So that's the way you do it. Remember that we are a full-service tax accounting firm. If you need any type of help in your personal taxes or your business taxes, this is our contact information. And remember that we are part of Freedom Group, where we can help you with immigration, real estate, insurance, financial planning, and obviously tax and accounting services. So thank you for watching this video. We hope it has been of value. If it is, like it and share it with other business owners, and watch this suggested video as well. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.